Did you know that you can actually use iCloud on your Android phone? And here's how to set up and use iCloud on Android phone, and watch it till the end because I'll give you a very valuable tip. So, first of all, let's open up our Google Chrome or any other browser which you're using, and let's search for iCloud. Look for it, open up this link, it should be Apple website. Now press sign in. And now you are to enter your credentials, your email or phone number. I already have one saved, so simply enter your email. After that, you are to enter your password. Press next. Now you have to pass two-factor authentication. So the verification's phone code is going to be saved on your iPhone or on your other device, or maybe simply on your phone or email, so it depends on you. Now let's enter this code. Choose whether you want to trust this browser or not. I'll choose trust this browser. And basically you are done. Now you're into your iCloud. You can see all your messages, photos, Drive, notes, so you can use it. And it's pretty as functional as it is on your iPhone. So here is a valuable tip. If you want to have your iCloud on your home screen and you won't have to Google for it every time. So on your Google Chrome, tap on the three dots at the top right corner, locate Add to Home Screen, choose how to name it. I'll leave it as an iCloud and press Install. Now let's give it some time to be installed. It's installed. And as you see, we can find it on our home screen. If we're gonna tap on it, the iCloud is gonna be opened. And basically, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.